Let's learn wild animals with sounds and fun. Wild animals live in forests or jungles. Let's meet some today. Lion, elephant, monkey, snake, tiger. This is an elephant. It has a long trunk and big ears. This is a lion, the king of the jungle. Roar! This is a monkey. It jumps, plays and swings on trees. This is a snake. It slithers on the ground. This is a tiger. Strong, fast and full of stripes. Let's say them again. Monkey, lion, elephant, snake, tiger. Great job, little explorer. See you next time. Bye-bye.